I don't think I'm prepared for this. I didn't sleep last night because I drank 2 of these yesterday. Here we are again. I am not prepared for this video. I feel like I don't know what I'm getting myself into. I've been wanting to do this video because my closet is just a mess. Let's just show you what it looks like. Can we just take a second? So today we're gonna be cleaning out my closet and completely rearranging the whole thing. Half the stuff in this closet is not even mine. Half of it's my parents or just like random stuff from my childhood, which I guess is mine, but I haven't looked at it for probably like 10 years now. So I'm gonna literally be going through every single thing in this closet and taking everything out and hopefully decluttering a lot just so it's more organized and so I actually like want to go in here and actually like pick out an outfit. Let's just get started because I feel like we're gonna be here forever. So I'm gonna start by taking every single thing out of this closet and then we're gonna go through everything. So this is what we have. See what I mean? Like we just have so many boxes in here and like vacuums and decorations, and I have all of my prom and homecoming dresses back here that I want to sell, but I don't know like where to sell them because obviously nobody's gonna be buying them right now. I don't know what to do with half this stuff and I just want to make it look a lot cleaner. So, and then we just have all of that up there. I really just don't know what to do with all that, but we're just gonna try to donate a lot of stuff and just go through all of the boxes, see what's in there. And like I said, it's just gonna take me forever, but it's fine. Okay, so pretty much all we have left now is just boxes. So I'm gonna go through these and just kind of figure out what's in here and if I want to keep it or not and like whose stuff it is. So I have like all this stuff back here, like suits and stuff that's my parents, so I don't know what they want me to do with that. I might just like leave that over there because you can't really see it. It's pretty far back. And then we have this vacuum that I don't want in here anymore. We're gonna try to figure some things out here. Okay, I know you guys probably don't care, but this is literally full of Beanie Babies. Like, not joking. Completely full. What do I do with these? Don't these like cost a lot of money? Oh my god, you guys. I don't know what to do with this. I just what? I did not know this was in here. Alright. Well, there's that. Y'all. There's more. Full. Completely full. More Beanie Babies. Huh. Alright, this is where we are at right now. I decided that I'm not gonna move the boxes because, like I said, none of that stuff is mine and I just don't know what my parents want me to do with it. So I just kind of stacked them back here. I'm just glad that I was able to fit this in here and move the vacuum out of there. And those are my rugs from my dorm. And this stuff is not mine again, so I'm just gonna push it back there. I mean, it doesn't really take up that much room, so. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is just a mess. Alright, I guess let's get started. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take stuff out of my room and just put it all outside of my room. Stuff that I don't want to keep. I know for sure that I won't want to keep and want to either sell or donate or just get rid of. Okay, so these are all the clothes that I'm going to be donating or selling or something like that. And then these are everything I'm keeping, plus all these. I knew that I wanted to keep all of them, so I just didn't take them off the hangers. But I probably will be switching the hangers to all the same color. And then this is actually the only thing I want to get rid of. Actually, there's one more thing in here. I'll get it later. But this is just really gold, and it's not even like white anymore. It's like yellow. So get rid of that. And I guess now is the time where we start to put everything back in here. I think that I'm going to be doing everything by clothing item and maybe color. I don't really know. I guess I'll kind of figure it out as we go. I'm also going to be putting a bunch of stuff from this, like pretty much all this stuff in there, because I don't know, I just want to hang like all my t-shirts, like my nice t-shirts and tank tops and long sleeves and stuff. I don't even know if you guys can see that, but I just want to hang all this stuff because this drawer is like getting really full of all my just like random t-shirts, so I want to have room to put these in another drawer, and I just want to hang these anyway, so. Alright guys, so this is where I'm at right now. So I have my t-shirts here and then just all my long sleeve stuff. But I am running out of, or I have like 4 hangers left. So I think I need to go to the store so I can hang the rest of my tank tops and stuff. So I might take like a slight break and probably eat some lunch too, because it's like almost 12 o'clock. So I am probably gonna do that, and I guess probably clean up the rest of my room. And then we will be back for full transformation before and after shot and everything. So
2 hours later.
Alright, so I just got back from the store, so I picked out this bin just to put some of my extra, like my old yearbooks and just like notebooks and stuff that I don't want to throw away yet. And then I got a ton of these, they're like baby hangers, but it's just for my tank top, so I figured they'd be like perfect size for my tank top. And then we're gonna be done. Actually, I have to put my shoes in too, but then we'll be done. So we're almost there. so this is my closet. So back here I have like all of my jackets, my coats, my vests, and then we come into sweaters. I tried to color code it, but I mean you can't really tell. So I have sweaters, and then we get into sweatshirts, long sleeves over here. So then these are all my t-shirts right here, and then the baby hangers are all of my tank tops. So they're kind of pushed back a little bit, but I mean I did what I could. And then over here we have my pink hangers. These are all of my like dress clothes. So I used to work in an office, so I have some dress tops, and then my rompers and dresses and everything is in there as well. Down here is all of my shoes. So I got this shoe rack from Target. I'm pretty sure you can get it like anywhere, like Walmart or Meijer or something, but I just have all my boots on the top, and then sandals and like sneakers and stuff down below. I think it looks a lot better. Here I have all of my Christmas stuff, and then I just put my hats right here. I have 4 of them, I think. And then this is a tub full of like extra stuff and stuff I didn't want to like get rid of. It's stuff from school too. So I still have all those buckets up there. I still have all of those down there too, but that's the best that I could do. So this is the overview again. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I like how the hangers look. I just think it looks like it's all syncing together, and I just really like how it turned out. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely took a long time, but was very much worth doing all that. I think it looks so much better, and it actually makes me want to like go in my closet and pick out an outfit. So be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Turn my post notifications on so you can be notified every single time I post a new video every Friday if you didn't know. I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.